Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Maestri House DualFro 600 stands out in the crowded market of countertop coffee accessories by offering a level of customization that is rarely seen in consumer-grade milk frothers. While many devices in this category offer a simple one-touch operation for hot or cold foam, this unit introduces the ability to control both the temperature and the specific thickness of the froth. It is designed to bridge the gap between basic handheld whisks and the high-end steam wands found on professional espresso machines. With a 21-ounce capacity, it is larger than many of its competitors, making it capable of preparing enough milk for multiple drinks at once. It functions as a heater, a frother, and a specialized tool for hot chocolate, aiming to provide a versatile solution for a variety of hot and cold beverages. The integration of smart touch controls and a memory function suggests a focus on convenience for the daily coffee drinker who wants a consistent result without having to manually monitor the process every single morning. This device represents a shift toward more professional-grade features in the home kitchen, allowing for a level of precision that was previously reserved for commercial settings. In terms of construction, the device features a sleek, matte black finish that fits into most modern kitchen aesthetics without being overly distracting. The main body consists of a solid power base and a removable stainless steel jug. This separation is a practical design choice, as it allows the jug to be cleaned easily without risking damage to the sensitive electrical components housed in the base. The jug itself is dishwasher safe, which is a significant advantage for a tool that deals with dairy and sugary chocolate mixes that can often become stubborn if left to dry. Inside the jug, there is a magnetic whisking system that eliminates the need for complex mechanical linkages or seals that could leak over time. This magnetic drive is not only quieter than many gear-driven alternatives but also reduces the number of points where the device might fail. The interface is located on the front of the base and uses a touch-sensitive panel rather than physical buttons that could wear out or collect grime. This creates a flush surface that is easy to wipe down after use. The digital display provides clear and immediate feedback on the current settings, showing the selected temperature and froth density in a way that is easy to read even in a dimly lit kitchen. The capacity of 21 ounces, or roughly 600 milliliters, is generous enough for large specialty lattes or even a small batch of hot chocolate for a few people, yet the footprint on the counter remains relatively compact and unobtrusive. Performance is where this frother attempts to distinguish itself through its variable settings. Most standard frothers offer a single temperature, usually around 65 degrees Celsius, but this model allows users to choose from several temperature increments ranging from ordinary room temperature to quite hot. This matters because different types of milk, particularly plant-based options like oat, soy, or almond milk, have different burning points and protein structures that react better to specific heat levels. By allowing the user to dial in the temperature, it reduces the risk of scalding the milk and ruining the delicate flavor profile of the coffee beans. Similarly, the ability to select froth thickness addresses a common frustration with automatic frothers that only offer one style of foam. Some drinkers prefer a light, airy foam with large bubbles for a traditional cappuccino, while others want a denser, silkier microfoam for a latte or a flat white. The DualFro 600 uses its internal logic to adjust the whisking speed and duration to achieve these variations with surprising accuracy. The memory function is another performance-oriented feature that remembers the last used settings automatically. This means that once a user finds their ideal combination of heat and texture for their specific brand of milk, they can replicate it the next day with a single touch. This consistency is vital for those who have a specific morning routine and do not want to experiment with settings every time they make a drink. The induction heating technology used here is also worth noting, as it tends to provide more even heat distribution compared to traditional heating elements, which helps in creating a more uniform texture and prevents hot spots from forming at the bottom of the pitcher. This product is primarily suited for the home barista who has outgrown basic frothing tools but is not quite ready to invest in a full-scale espresso machine with a manual steam wand. It appeals to individuals who value precision and want to experiment with different types of milk and drink styles without needing a high degree of technical skill. For those who frequently host guests or have a large household with varying tastes, the 21-ounce capacity makes it a more practical choice than the smaller 4 or 8-ounce models typically found on the market. It is also a strong candidate for hot chocolate enthusiasts who want something more sophisticated than a microwave. Because the whisking mechanism is robust and the temperature is controllable, it can effectively integrate cocoa powder or even small chocolate shavings into the milk without the clumping or uneven mixing that often occurs with manual stirring. People who prioritize ease of maintenance will also find the dishwasher safe jug appealing, as milk residue can be notoriously difficult to scrub out by hand if it is allowed to bake onto the surface. Essentially, it is for the consumer who wants a premium, repeatable experience without the steep learning curve or the mess often associated with professional equipment. At a price point of approximately $76, the Maestri House DualFro 600 sits in the mid to high range for standalone milk frothers. While it offers more features than budget models, it represents a specific investment in daily convenience and drink quality. The level of control over temperature and texture is a clear benefit for those who are particular about their beverages, though it may be more than what a casual coffee drinker requires for a standard cup. The build quality and the inclusion of a memory function suggest a well-thought-out product designed for longevity and ease of use in a busy environment. While no automated tool can perfectly replicate the artisanal touch of a highly skilled barista using a manual steam wand, this device provides a very close approximation with significantly less effort and cleanup. It successfully balances advanced functionality with a user-friendly design, making it a versatile and reliable addition to a modern home coffee setup. Whether one is looking to perfect a morning latte or prepare a large batch of hot cocoa for the family, this frother offers the flexibility to handle those tasks with consistent results. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.